What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number here on your Amazon account. I'm going to show you how to change the phone number associated with your account on Amazon so you can actually manage all your privacy settings in here using the new number. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel, I do cover a lot of tech hacks and tutorials. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. So here we go. Here I am on Amazon real quick. This is how the app looks like, and now I'm going to show you how to change your phone number. Now, the very first thing you need to do in here is tap on the three lines in here, okay? And next up, you want to tap on account right here. Now, you may be in a situation where you are located in a different region, and if you are located in a different region, then the app may look a bit different. So if it's different, just simply tap in here on wherever you have you, and then you'll be brought to this same screen in here where you do have the option to manage your account settings in here. Now, within account settings or within the second stack of settings, you want to hop all the way to login and security. Next up, you'll be brought to this screen in here where you do have, for example, the two-step verification. Let me just quickly tap on call me or send me an OTP just for me to be able to type in the OTP related to my account. So I'm having an issue in here at the moment, so I'm just going to tap on back right now. But in your case, in your scenario, you'll be brought to a screen where you do have an option which says primary number right there. I do have an issue with my account, but you do have a second option which says primary number. So you want to hop into primary number, and then within primary number, you just want to change your number to your new number. What happens is I don't use my Amazon account for a long period of time. That's why I need to do a workaround in here to recover my account first. Now, after performing all this, after changing your number, what I recommend you doing is to simply go back to login and security, hop into login and security, and then also ensure you change the 2FA authentication number as well. So you want to change it to your new number so you do not keep on receiving those two-factor verifications on that previous registered number. So this is exactly how you change your phone number here on Amazon app. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.